Join me as I dive deep into the future of LLY stock and try to predict what's next for this company. Can I make the right call? Eli Lilly and Company, commonly known as LLY, is a giant in the pharmaceutical industry, renowned for its innovative approach to healthcare and a robust pipeline of drugs that address some of the world's most pressing medical needs. With a rich history and a commitment to improving lives through medicine, LLY has become a household name among investors and patients alike. LLY faces stiff competition from other pharmaceutical giants, all vying for market share and striving to bring groundbreaking treatments to market. This competitive landscape is further complicated by fluctuating market trends and regulatory hurdles that can significantly impact the trajectory of its stock. For instance, changes in healthcare policies or drug pricing regulations can affect LLY's bottom line. Moreover, with many pharmaceutical companies racing to develop treatments for the same diseases, LLY must continuously innovate to stay ahead. The company's journey is also influenced by its ability to navigate complex regulatory environments. The pharmaceutical industry is heavily regulated, and LLY must comply with stringent FDA guidelines and international regulations, which can be both time-consuming and costly. Delays in drug approvals or issues with compliance can adversely affect the company's stock performance. Additionally, LLY's global presence exposes it to economic and political factors that can impact its operations and stock value. Market trends play a crucial role in the performance of LLY stock. The pharmaceutical industry is rapidly evolving, with a growing emphasis on personalized medicine and digital health solutions. LLY's ability to adapt to these trends and leverage its resources to innovate will be critical to its future success. Furthermore, the company's financial health, including its revenue growth, profit margins, and debt levels, provides investors with essential insights into its stability and potential for growth. Recently, LLY has made headlines with its robust earnings reports, showcasing strong sales of its flagship drugs and a promising pipeline of new treatments. Analysts have been closely watching the company's progress, with many issuing optimistic predictions about its future stock performance. Some predict that LLY's innovative approach and strong financials will drive significant growth in the coming years, while others caution that the competitive landscape and regulatory challenges could pose risks to its upward trajectory. The company's latest earnings report exceeded analyst expectations, highlighting the strong demand for its diabetes and obesity treatments. This positive financial performance has bolstered investor confidence, driving the stock price up. However, it's essential to consider that past performance is not a guarantee of future results, and LLY must continue to innovate and execute its business strategy effectively. Several analyst predictions suggest that LLY is poised for long-term success, driven by its diversified portfolio of drugs and a strong commitment to research and development. The company's focus on developing treatments for unmet medical needs, such as Alzheimer's disease and certain types of cancer, could lead to significant breakthroughs and provide a substantial boost to its stock. Despite the optimistic outlook, there are potential risks and challenges that investors should be aware of. The pharmaceutical industry is inherently volatile, with factors such as regulatory changes, drug pricing pressures, and competition from generic drugs potentially impacting LLY's stock performance. Therefore, it's crucial for investors to conduct thorough research and consider multiple perspectives before making investment decisions. In conclusion, LLY's future seems promising, with a strong portfolio of drugs, a commitment to innovation, and a solid financial foundation. However, the path ahead won't be without its challenges. The company's ability to navigate the complex pharmaceutical landscape, adapt to market trends, and continue delivering value to its patients and shareholders will be key to its long-term success. If you've been following LLY stock and have thoughts on its future direction, I'd love to hear from you. Share your insights in the comments below. Also, if you're interested in more stock analysis and predictions, be sure to check out my next video where I'll dive into another exciting stock opportunity.